Hey everyone, this is Nick on Control Nick, and today I'm going to teach you all about multiple windows in Excel. If you don't know this function in Excel, you're really about to upgrade your whole Excel experience. Let me show you what I mean in the Excel workbook. Okay, so we're in here now, and as you can see, I have a typical table where I need to put in some formula to pull some information. For my setup in my workbook, I typically like to have an overview tab, and then I have all the data tables sitting in different tabs where I would pull that information. Now, because I use multiple windows, it's really easy for me to use a split screen and work at the same workbook in different views. And I'm going to show you how to do that. But firstly, we have this tab here. This is the overview tab. And then you have the second tab at the bottom called the data table. And this is the example I'm going to show you today. If I go back into overview and if I start wanting to do like a equals sum if formula, I would then need to start clicking into multiple tabs. And that's actually really annoying and inconvenient to do. However, what you can do is if you see I have view pre-selected at the top here, there's a button called new window. Now, if I click on that new window, you'll notice in the header title, you have this exact same header of your workbook or the title or name of your workbook, but then you have a number next to it, number 2. That's the window that you're working within. And what I'm going to do is if you click at the top, and a quick trick here is if you hold down the Windows key and your right arrow, you'll notice it populates to the right. One half is going to now be that window that I was interested in. And now you can see all of the extra windows that you have on your desktop right now are going to populate for what do you want to show now on the left side. So I have my OBS recording software, but what I want to use is the first tab or the first window. So as you can see, now we have two different views within the exact same Excel workbook. They're both selected under Overview, but I actually want to click into here and then select Data Table. Now we have the data table on the right side and the table I'm going to work with on the left side. So if I want to put in a formula, like let's say we want to use sum ifs, now we want the sales amount. All you do is just click over into this window over to the right, and you'll notice that it starts to pre-fill on the left over here. So very simple and very easy for you to just work both ways in order to start working in different tabs and just makes your life so much easier in Excel. That was actually it for today. It was a quick video, but if you found it helpful, consider liking and subscribing. It always helps. And I've got these two videos popping up for you that I think are relevant based off the content I showed you today. Thank you so much again and have an amazing day.